Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of ASCE Student Chapter DUET. Today we'll show you how to open an ASCE Student Membership account. First of all, you have to open any browser from your PC or mobile, then type ASCE. After typing ASCE, you will find the homepage of American Society of Civil Engineers. After clicking, you will go directly into their webpage. To create an account in ASCE, you have to go to the top right corner of homepage. If you are already a member of ASCE, you have to tap the login options. If you don't, then you have to go for the join options. After clicking the join option, you will enter into the membership process. Here, they will ask about yourself, which is the first step towards becoming a member. Here you will find the email address bar. You have to provide your email on the respective bar. After writing your email address, please click on the continue. Then they will ask you to provide more information about yourself, like your name, your address, and your city. As ASCE has a student chapter all over the world, that's why you have to select your country from the respective options. After that, you have to give a strong password for your account. You can use uppercase, lowercase, or numerical number and almost 8 digits for your password to make it strong. Then you have to sign up the consent capture bar and then click on the next bar. In the next page, you will find your information as a primary contact information. You can cross-check your personal data, or if you find any missing information, you can edit it from here. Ensuring all the information correct, you can proceed to the next. ASCE provide two types of membership. One is professional, another one is a student. You will find the criteria for both of the membership. As we want to open a student membership options, we select the student membership. In the demographic options, you have to select your birth date, gender, and job title. As for a student, we will select the job title as a student and click on the save option. As for educational background, you have to write the name of the university that have established a student chapter. As for Bangladesh, we write down the name of Dhaka University of Engineering Technology, as it is the first ever student chapter in Bangladesh, which has been established in 2015. To find this university, you don't need to put the city options. After finding your desired university, click on the continue options and proceed. Select your type of degree from the degree options, which is Bachelor of Science. Then you can put your graduation date, which is probable, or you can keep up this option for later. After filling up your educational background, you can add your new licenses or any kind of attachment in your profile. You can also edit this after creating your account. So we are proceeding to the next. Now you have to complete your society student membership dues. As you know, the student membership is free for 2 years. You have to fill the checkbox in here to auto-renew your membership. With your student membership, you can also select your section, which is Bangladesh section dues, which will also be free. As a benefit of a student membership, you will get a civil engineering digital magazine as a weekly basis. After selecting all of the options, click on the next option. ASCE has 9 specialized institutes. From these 9 specialized institutes, you will select one and it will get free of cost. You can write down the name of the institutes and select one of your choice which will be free. You can select one more, but it will cost $30 per institute. So here we select environmental and water institute membership dues and select I do not wish to contribute at this time for the both options and click sign me up option. Now this page shows us our payment for the dues of the student membership, and here we can see we have selected all the 4 options, and which is we get almost for free, and then we check out the box and then submit option. And now finally my account is completed, and it shows all of the 3 sections that we have selected from ASCE. After checking all the options, we can proceed to the home page option. Now to log into my profile, please click on the top right corner of the home page and click on login. As you can see, I have logged into my profile. So to log in with my username and account, please log out from here and then click again login. Then provide your username and your password and then click sign in. You can edit your account by going into a name and then click on manage my account. Here you will find all the options to edit your account and information, also the expiration date of your account. You can add your profile picture in here and give the other information to keep your profile high. To know about the membership options, please click on the membership benefits and go in the membership menu. There you will find the discount and career booster options of student memberships. Here you will find the non-member price and member price of your free facilities that you got from ASCE. Also exploring other terms and services, you can find many things which ASCE provide for your career and your academic growth. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Please hit a like button and subscribe ASCE Student Chapter DUET for many informative content and activities of ASCE Student Chapter DUET. Thank you.